चौथी डॉक्टर फिलिप पिंटो मेमोरियल ऑल गोवा मेजर रँकिंग टेबल टेनिस सर्त काल सुरू जाली. 6 दीस चलपी ह्या सर्तीत जायते तरणाटे आनी जाणटे खेळगडे वांटो घेतले. ह्या कार्यावळीत म्हापशेचो आमदार जोशुआ डिसुजा मुखेल सोयरो म्हूण हजर आशिल्लो. पळयात.
Today we have launched the 4th edition of the late Dr. Philip Pinto table tennis tournament held here at the Club Vasco da Gama. A very dear friend of mine, Kabir Pinto Makija, ex-Deputy Mayor CCP, invited me to be part of this very popular tournament over the last couple of years. Karan Makabore Disle to see so many people, so many familiar faces, so many veterans out here that have joined, shown their support to play in this beautiful tournament. I'm very happy to see the enthusiasm shown by them, and most importantly, like I said in my speech, it's nice to see that people still playing sports. We are living in a digital era where all the sports are taking place on mobile phones, and it's nice to see that all the seniors here that are there today that are playing the sport, and I'm sure that the fact that they are playing, their children are definitely involved in these type of outdoor activities. May this continue. It's a very important message that we have seen in Goa over the last 2 years. Due to the pandemic, a lot of people getting involved with outdoor activities, a lot of people playing sports they used to play during their childhood, a lot of people cycling, a lot of people playing tennis, a lot of people badminton, table tennis. Name the sport and everybody is out and playing. It's a good message. It's very good for Goa. It's very good for the younger generation. It's a good message to see that people are out and active and about. I hope this trend continues, and I hope that everybody maintains an active lifestyle, just to keep in, to de-stress, to get active. That way you stay fit. It's better for your concentration. It gives one a sense of feeling that they've done something at the end of the day. You get tired, you get drained out, you get a good night's rest, and I think that is the most important message that sports teaches us. I hope the trend continues, and I wish each and every player here all the best. The Pinto family to continue this activity that they have started. I know that there's been a break for the last 2 years, but I hope that they continue, let everybody show their support, and definitely I'm always there for Kabir. We've had a long relation over the last 15 years, and he's been a good friend, a good support. Whenever I need him, definitely I'm always there. He's always there for me, I'm always there for him. Again, wish all the players all the best. Thank you.